Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Federico Chiesa and EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for new player that are new into this game. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping play button and tap the live events. Tap the welcome to FC Mobile, and as you can see there are some options here, some feature here, and let's get to tap the new teams. So you can get this guy Federico Chiesa with over 88 base unit, and he is part of welcome to FC Mobile player here. As you can see, he is part of welcome to FC Mobile player group, program. Let's get back. So tap this icon. Unlock after completing 2 rewards paths. So you can claim this Federico Chiesa after unlock these 2 paths. So total there are 4 paths here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't need to unlock all paths, but only 2 paths here. For example, I want to unlock this welcome attacker and welcome defender and goalkeeper, and with 150 welcome point each path. So the point is you have to play more and get welcome to FC Mobile point. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. Enjoy the game.